Do you know you can actually earn money from TikTok? A lot of people upload videos on TikTok daily with thousands and millions of views, yet they are not being rewarded. Simply because they are not in the Creators Reward Academy, which is a tool in the content monetization of TikTok for people who are living in eligible countries. Now, there are 7 countries which are actually eligible for content monetization, and some of those countries include UK, US, Brazil, Japan, South Korea, Spain, and Italy. Now, even if you are not living in those countries and you have brother or sister, friend who reside in those countries, you can actually beg them to help you create an account there and send you the login so that you can log in over here and start creating your content while getting rewarded. And also, some creators on TikTok are helping people to open a monetized TikTok account, but they get to collect money. Now, if you don't have a creator to open a monetized account for you, or probably you don't have the money to pay for creating a monetized account, and you are getting to see this video, then you are lucky to have found this video, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can set up your own international monetized TikTok account without VPN and start earning money. All right, so if this sounds like you, please help me share this video so YouTube can push it to many more persons. So with that being said, and no further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is how to set up your own monetized TikTok account. So firstly, you have to make sure you have downloaded the TikTok app already on your device, and then we'll just head over to click on it, and then it's going to take us to this interface where you have your profile, home, friends, inbox. All right, so what we're going to do now is to click on profile. Okay, so after clicking on profile, it's going to bring us to this interface, and you see down below it says by continue with an account located in NG. So for some persons, you may see NG, while some persons, you can see Nigeria spelled. Okay, so we're just going to pick an eligible country, and in this tutorial, we're going to be using UK. Okay, so now we'll just type in UK or United Kingdom, and it's going to pop up. And as you can see, we've been able to change it down below here. Say by continue with an account located in UK. And so we're just going to continue with Google. Okay, so for this one, we are not using phone number. You are going to use your email account. And now it's just it's going to open up your Gmail, and now I just picked on the one I'm going to be using. So the next thing is your birthday. So it's going to bring an interface where you have to fill in your exact birth date. So make sure you are filling the correct birthday on this particular section, because you may be needing it later. All right, so after selecting the correct one, you just click on continue, and then you wait for it to load. And the next thing is I'm going to ask you to create your nickname. So on this particular place, I just wiped it off and I typed what I want to be using. So I actually use Oster Media because I'm going to be using it for a tutorial account. All right, so Oster Media is what I filled in, and then after filling it, make sure you are using a name that is eligible to. Then you just click on continue after that. So it actually took me back again to a Gmail account, and then I'll also click again. So just make sure you click again on the one that you want to use, and then tada, accounts have been created. So now let's click on profile to see if we actually created a UK account. So this is the account, and then we're just going to go up here and click on that 3 lines, and then we'll head over to the settings and privacy, and after that we just head over and we'll be clicking on the first one, which is accounts. So after clicking on accounts, you'll click on account information. Let's see what our account has for us. So you can see the account region is actually UK. So we have a UK account created already. So for you to be very sure that what you have is a UK account, let's go furthermore to check on other verifications, things that you need to see to be sure that it is a UK account. So we'll click on the 3 dots that you have there, and then we're going to click on TikTok Studio. So when we get to our TikTok Studio, you'll be seeing monetization on this other part, right? There's growth on this side and there's monetization. So you click on monetization and you see creators reward program. You see creators marketplaces. So these are things that you don't have in Nigeria TikTok and every other TikTok that is not monetized. So this is actually one of the monetization too. And then we're just going to head over again to that 3 lines, and we're clicking on our balance. So in Nigerian accounts we have US dollar. So for this one it's pounds, GBP. So we're going to be earning in pounds on this account. So you can see that what we have here
is what? A UK account. So now that we've been able to successfully create the account, you're just going to head over to the profile picture and make sure you upload a new profile picture, and then you go to the bio, you add a bio. That's what describes what your account does. All right,
Congratulations! So now that you've been able to set up your own monetized TikTok account, let me tell you the things that you must never do on your account for you to remain monetized. So number one is you must never post content that belongs to other creators. All right, that is why you're a content creator, so you must learn how to be creative and come up with your own content for you to start earning. All right, number two, you must never post those old contents that you posted before on your previous account on this new account, because when you do so, the algorithm is going to detect it and they are going to deactivate you from monetization. All right, and number three, you must never do it on that account, because when you do so, TikTok is not going to pay you. And last but not the least, you must not switch to business accounts, because business accounts are not eligible for monetization on TikTok. All right, so it is advisable that you don't switch your account. So now that you're aware of the things you must not do on your account, let me share with you the eligibility criteria, what it requires for you to be monetized or start earning on the TikTok app. So number one is you need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers on that account. Number two is you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and thirdly, you must be 18 years and above. So this was the same means I used to create my own monetized TikTok account, and you can actually follow me on Oster Media. That is your own way of saying thank you for giving you these tips for free. So please, you can follow me on that account, Oster Media. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section of this video and I'll respond to you. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, loved ones that this video might be beneficial to, and don't forget to subscribe so you get to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my very next video. For now, peace out.